consider a given chart where maximum resource available of resource type A, B, C, and D are 3, 14, 12, and 12 instances respectively. And you're supposed to answer for these questions. What is the content of matrix need? You're supposed to fill the need matrix. The need system is safe for the given process sequence that you have to check for, and then if yes, give the safe sequence. So which order you are going to complete this job, you are supposed to give the safe sequence, students. If request comes from P1 as 0420, can it be granted, that you have to check. So this is a question given, students. So shall we start now? These are the process I have: P0, P1, P2, P3, P4. So these are the given in the problem itself. Allocation for A, B, C, D resource types. If these instances are given and maximum instance is given, available instance is given. So first step, what is that you are supposed to do? You are going to find need matrix. How is that? Using the equation maximum minus allocation. So let us fill the matrix need. So for these process P0, P1, P2, P3, P4, A, B, C, D resource types. How is it you do? Maximum minus allocation. Maximum minus allocation you can do for the P0 here. Here 0 minus 0, 0. Then 0, maximum you have to take first. 0 minus 0, again 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Same way check for P1 here. 1 minus 1, 0. 7 minus 0, 7. 5 minus 0, 5. 0 minus 0, 0. Same way check for P2. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 3, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. And 6 minus 4, it is 2. Next one, P3. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 6, it is 0. 5 minus 3, it is 2. Then 2 minus 2, it is 0. Check for the last one. 0 minus 0, it is 0. 6 minus 0, it is 6. And 5 minus 1, it is 4. So next step we are supposed to do using safety algorithm. We will check for each and every process whether we go with the same order or not with the help of the equation. First we will define a variable work. Then we go on based on the result of this condition. We are going to check for the sequence here, right? So let us check what is the need value of P0. I have 0, 0, 0. Whether this need is less than or equal to work. Work is nothing but I'll take available whatever I have, that I will temporarily assign it to work, right? So work is now 1520. I'll check whether the need of P0 is less than or equal to this. Yes, it is less than or equal to this. If it is true, what is that I will do? I'll go for the next step equation which I have discussed in algorithm. Work can be updated as work plus allocation. So what is my old work value, which is nothing but available, which was one here it was given. So 1520 plus now allocation for P0. Allocation for P0 is what? 0012. Add that here. 0012. Check the result. 1 plus 0, 1. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 1, it is 3. 0 plus 2, it is 2. Okay, fine. Next P1, what is the need? I have 0750. Need is less than or equal to update a work now. 1532. Here 0 is less than 1. Here 7 is greater than 5. No, the result is false. So I ignore this. Later you can come back to this. Next one, P2. Check for P2 now. 1002 is less than or equal to 1532. Yes. All the digits you have to check. 1 is less than 1. 0 is less than 5. 0 is less than 3. 2 is equal to 2. Fine. So now you update the work now. Work is equal to work. Whole value of work is 1532 plus allocation of P2. What is the allocation of P2 now? P2 is 13P4 now, 54. So add that, 1354. What's your answer? 1 plus 1, 2. You have to add from this side. 4 plus 2, 6. Then 5 plus 3, 8. Then 3 plus 5, 8 again. 1 plus 1, 2. Next step, P3 you can check. What is P3 need here? 0020. Less than or equal to work. That is 2886. Check here. 0 less than 2, 0 less than 8, 2 less than 8, 0 less than 6. Yes, it is true. Update the work now. 2886 plus the allocation of P3. Allocation of P3 is 0632. Add it here. Now 2 plus 6, 8. Then what is the next one you have? 3 plus 8, it is 11. 11 only you are supposed to write. 11 is the second digit now. What is the next one? 6 plus 8 is again. 6 plus 8 is 14 now. 0 plus 2 is 2. Fine. Leave some gap here so no confusion will be there, or you can write it as a block. Next, what is the next step you are supposed to do? Check for P4. What is the need of P4? 0642. 0642 is less than these values 2, 14. What is this? 2, 14, 11 and 8. So yes, 0 is less than 2, 6 is less than 14, 4 is less than 11, 2 is less than 8. Yes, it is true. Update the work now. 2, 14, 11, 8 plus allocation of P4, 0, 0, 1, 4. Add it. What's the result? 2 plus 0 is 2, then 14 plus 0 is 14, 11 plus 1 is 12, 8 plus 4 is 12. Right? Like, what is the value? I think 4 process you have done with, but P1 which you have ignored, that you take it now. What was the value of, what is the need value of P1 is what? Same thing, 0750. Check that. Whether now it is less than or equal to the what? Which is 2, 14, 12 and 12. 0 is less than 2. 7 is less than 14. 5 is less than 12. 0 is less than 12. This time it is true now. Now the update the value of work. So 2, 14, 12, 12 plus allocation of which one? P1, 1000. So how is that you did? 1000, add this 0 plus 12, 12, 0 plus 12, 12, then 0 plus 14, 14, 1 plus 2 is 3. So these are we have found out. So what is the sequence you are supposed to take now? P0 first, then P1 you have ignored, then P2, then P3, same thing I have taken it. P0, P2, P3, then P4, then continued by P1. So if request comes from P1, what is the request is given 0420, whether it can be granted. Let us check for it. So second algorithm, continuation of that algorithm I have given now. So what is the new request with respect to P1? 0420. This equation I will take it. I will go for 2 steps. First I will check whether request is less than or equal to need 1. 0420 of P1 request is less than need of P1. What is need of P1? 0750. 0750. Check for it. 0 less than 05. 4 less than 7. Yes. 2 is less than 5. Yes. 0 is less than 0. Yes. Yes, it is true. I'll go for the next step. I'll check for request less than or equal to available. So these are the 2 steps you are going to check before you are going to conclude the result. So now this time request same request 0420 whether it is less than or equal to available of which one? P1. Available of P1. Same thing 1520. 1520. Check for it. Yes, 0 less than 1, 4 less than 5, 2 less than 2 equal to 2, then 0 less than 2. Yes. Yes, it is true. If both are satisfied, then we will check. Definitely we may get the system is safe. But what is the sequence? Let us check. Let us modify only with respect to which process? P1. Only P1 process we need to check. Only the need of P1 I need to update. Then rest I have to take it as it is. Need of P1. What is that you are supposed to do? The old need minus the new request you are supposed to do. Correct now? And the available also. Available is again available. Old value available minus request. So let us see with respect to P1 what was the need value before. Need value was 0750. 0750 minus 0420 you do it. Then you fill this. Subtract this part. 0 minus 0 is what? 0 only. 7 minus 4 is 3. 0, 3. 5 minus 2, 3. 0. That you fill it here. 0330 you have filled it. Same way check for this. Available request, whatever you have, no? Available is available minus request. This is available what you have taken. Minus request you do. 1 minus 0, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. So you update it here. 1100 this time. Same method you check for the sequence now. First you take need of P0. 000 whether it is less than or equal to updated available 1100. Yes. So 00 is less than 110. True. Update the work now. What is your work? The available value you have taken that is 1100 plus allocation of P0 is 001 to add this 1 plus 1 0 1 1 plus 0 1 0 plus 1 1 0 plus 2 2. Next check for P1 now. P1 what is why need 0330 whether it is less than or equal to the work updated 1112. It is false because 3 is greater than 1. So false. Ignore it. Next go for P2. P2 need 1002. 1002 is less than 1112. Yes. 1 is less than 1. 0 is less than 1. 0 is 1 is less equal to 1. 0 less than 1. 0 less than 1. 2 is equal to 2. Yes, it is true. Update the work now 1112 plus what is the allocation of P2? P2 allocation is 1354. Add it. 1 plus 1 2. Again 1 plus 3 4. 1 plus 5 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. Check for the next one. P3 need 0020 less than or equal to this updated work 2, 4, 6, 6. 0 less than 2, 0 less than 4, 2 less than 6, 0 less than 6. Yes, true it is. Update it now. 2, 4, 6, 6 work plus allocation of P3. Allocation of P3 0, 6, 3, 2. 0, 6, 3 to add it now. 2 plus 0, 2. 4 plus 6, 10. 6 plus 3, 9. 6 plus 2, 8. Next one, P4, what is the need? 0, 6, 4, 2. Check whether it is less than or equal to updated works 2, 10, 9, 8. 0 is less than 2, 6 is less than 10, 4 is less than 9, 2 is less than 8. True. So update the same now. Work is equal to 2, 10, 9, 8 plus allocation of which process? Allocation of, correct now? Yeah. P4, allocation of P4 is 0, 0, 1, 4. Add 0, 0, 1, 4, 2 plus 0, 2, 10 plus 0, 10, 9 plus 1, 10, 8 plus 4, 12. Whichever the, I think up to P4 you have done, but P1 you have ignored. Now you check for P1 also. 0, 3, 3, 0 less than or equal to 2, 10, 10, 12. Yes, this time 0 less than 2, 3 less than 10, 3 less than 10, 0 less than 12. Yes, it is true. Update the work. 2, 10, 10, 12 plus what is the allocation of P1? Allocation of P1 is 1420. 1420 added. 2 plus 1, 3. 10 plus 4, 14. 10 plus 2, 12. Then 12 plus 0, 12. So that's you have done. So system is in save state with the new sequence. Same sequence only. What is this? P0 first, then P2, then P3, P4, P1. Then which is correct now? P0 first, then P2, P3,